The acting Vice-Chancellor, Professor Samuel Odewumi, cordially invites the university community and the general public to the 134th inaugural lecture of the university to be delivered by Inyang Asuquo Atting, a professor of medical parasitology and public health epidemiology, Department Medical Laboratory Sciences, College of Health Sciences, University of Uyo. Professor Inyang Asuquo Atting is a professor of medical parasitology and public health epidemiology, the immediate past deputy provost of the College of Health Sciences. He holds a PhD degree in medical parasitology. He is a consultant principal investigator PI, Akwa Ibom State Malaria Vector Sentinel Site. He is a Knight of John Wesley KJW and the prestigious 5-star lifetime awardee of Oron Union. He has published extensively across the globe in his area of specialty. Join us as he delivers his inaugural lecture and the 134th inaugural lecture of the university, titled Combating Parasites and Vectors of Diseases, the Journey of a Parasitologist and Public Health Epidemiologist. Date:
Friday 29th May 2026.
Time: 3 p.m. prompt. Venue: the 1,000-seater TETFund Auditorium, University of Uyo Main Campus, Nwaniba Road, Uyo. Guests are please advised to be seated by 2:45 p.m. Mrs. Blossom Okorie, Registrar and Secretary to Senate, announced.